Yo, the last time I made an unboxing video, people were complaining they don't hear the sound of the clipper. But right now, I'm gonna microphone check the clipper. Alright. Do you hear the clipper? Microphone check the clipper. I guess you can hear. Alright. Yo, hey yo, what's up on YouTube? This is Edo Unboxing Official. Welcome to another episode, man. Today's episode, I'm gonna unbox a brand new hair clipper from Suprent, the Black Obsidian. Alright. First of all, I want to thank Suprent for sending me this combo hair clipper and a trimmer. So let's read the specs, man. Alright. So this what's the model number? This is a Suprent Pro, the Black Obsidian, but with the model number HC776. See that? So now to the specs. Hey. So for the clipper, got 7,000 RPM, 3 hours runtime, and 3 hours charging time. Got 2,000 milliamp battery. And for the trimmer, got 7,200 RPM, 3 hours runtime, and 3 hours charging time with 2,000 milliamp battery. Yeah, so nothing else really written. So, and you can buy this combo clipper and a trimmer from Amazon or from Suprent website. So now let's open it, man. Okay, it looks like this. Nothing on the body except here, just like the sleeves. Okay, and you can open just like this. Okay, and it's plain inside. You got this. Okay, wait a moment. So the clipper looks like this. Okay. Wait, let's put it down first. For the trimmer, looks like this too. Okay. Put it down, and you got a charging dock, two. So you got two charging dock, as you can see. It's rated Suprent Pro. Okay, side, back, side again, and down. See this? Inside, so it comes with nothing else inside. Here you got two charging cables, a screwdriver, and this one to open the clipper. This is the guide comes for the trimmer, oil, little brush, the manual. Okay, I don't know what is this. And this one, I don't, okay. See this? It's a detachable, as you can see. And you got the guide comes for the clipper. So let's open it. Wait a moment. So I guess I need to open this one. So it's like this. So it fits perfect. And it doesn't make a noise. Okay, let's talk about the trimmer. They said got 7,200 RPM. Okay, and you can zero gap this trimmer because I was zero gapping it myself. Okay, I don't know if maybe you can see it good. was zero gapping it. So, and the sound, can you hear the sound? It's very smooth and quiet. So now, let's make a decibel test. Can you hear the sound? $206. I really like this trimmer because this place, you can put your thumb finger here, which is really good, and it's a rubber here, just here, and here it's a metal. So here, I don't know if maybe it's metal or plastic, and the blade, it's not bad. You can zero gap it. You can change the blade to a TPOB cycle blade. Yeah. It is very, very smooth. Okay, and now to the clipper. This is the clipper, and it's a 5 clicking lever. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 clicking lever, and it's not a USB type C. So power button, you can see in the back, got these grooves here, which is very, very good. And you got this place here also, which is good. You can rest your thumb there, you know. So got a fade blade, as you can see, fade blade. The good thing, you got the LCD display here on both. So sound check. Which is good. Both of these machines, they are brushless motor. The decibel test. It is quiet. Like I said before, it's a detachable hair clipper. You can easily pull it out. See that? So for you to get it back, see this place? You need to put it inside this hole. Okay? Just like this. Can't see it from here. It's very easy. And then press it. See that? Snap. It's very strong. Then press. See that? Which is very, very good. A detachable one. But the trimmer is not a detachable one, so just the clipper. Very, very good. So that's it for the unboxing of this video. And like I said before, you can buy this hair clipper, the combo hair clipper and the trimmer from Amazon US and from Suprent website. I'm gonna leave a link on the description below where you can buy it. So peace, man. All right.